What's the end with it, YouTube? How y'all doing? As you can see behind me, I got Z32 brakes. In this video, I'm going to be upgrading my S14 brakes to the Z32 brake calipers. Alright, so I got all the parts laid out right here. We got drilled and slotted rotors. I'm not sure if this is I'm not sure if this is Z32 rotors or 350Z rotors. They look like Z32 because they're kind of small. But low-key, these rear ones look like 350 because they, man, I don't even know. But we got this. The guy who sold me this said this was off of Nico Club. They was selling some dual caliper brackets back in the day. So I got those for the dual calipers in the rear. One's going to be for the main brakes. The other one's going to be for my hydro. And then I got the front calipers, of course. But before we put these in, I'm going to clean them up so they look all nice and stuff. But yeah, we're going to get started. So to clean the brakes, I got some brake cleaner and a microfiber rag. We're just going to spray it and wipe it down. Man, so cleaning them ain't do shit. They basically still look the same. But my goal is to really have them polished one day. I don't really know how you're supposed to polish some brake calipers. But if y'all know, just let me know in the comments and I'm gonna try it out. For now, I'm just gonna get them installed in the car.
I'm in the 20, all inside her body, and she wanna leave time with me. Uzumaki, I've been outside, they came back with 5, get down with this side, it'll be a homie. Weird ass rap, nigga don't wanna slide, so I fuck his body, cause I love her body. So I can put you on, only if you let me, let me. So I can put you on, only if you let me.
Alright, so now I got the rotor and the brake pads and the brake caliper off. Just a real quick fun fact, I've actually owned this car since 2019 and it's now 2026. That's about 7 years and I never touched the brake pads or changed them or anything, and it's crazy. I went this long without even touching the brakes. But to be fair, I don't really drive the car too much. I never really drove the car that much over the years, so that's probably why the brake pads are still not too bad. Check that out. 7 years. Here's a quick comparison of the new brakes versus the old brakes. This one is a floating caliper, and this one is I'm only fucking these hoes on Thursday. I'm running it up. Alright, just went to Harbor Freight and I just bought this hammer, this drive axle lock nut set, and some screwdrivers. I also got torque wrench, but it's still in the car right now. Alright, so next step is I'm gonna take this cap off, take this hub off, and then I could take off this shield, brake dust shield. Yeah, because it doesn't really fit around the new rotor, so we're gonna remove it. Probably look better too. Alright, so it took me a little minute to figure out how to get this shield off. Basically, what you're supposed to do is just hit it from the back and it will come off. Just be careful, because I was hitting mine and went flying and then it knocked a bunch of stuff over, so just be careful with that.
He cleans his crystals while I reload my pistol. You filthy boy, you never had. cleans his crystals while I reload my pistol. You filthy boy, you never had a chance.
Alright, so we got the front calipers on, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of dark, so it's kind of hard to see, but... Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I actually can't fucking put it on.
Wait. Oh, there you go.
Alright. This is what it looks like with the wheel on. Perfect clearance. Yeah, so I did both sides. And now we're gonna get started on the rear. And I got Ethan here to help me. He's fucking laughing at me trying to put the wheel on. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Alright, so it's kind of a fail. It looks like everything's on there, but when you take these lug nuts off, the rotor kind of wobbles around, and I'm supposed to use this ring right here that came with my dual caliper kit. But in order to use a dual caliper kit, I have to cut off the mounting points for my rotor. I mean my caliper. And I don't want to do that because I can't run my other caliper on the other side because I have to steal my brother's caliper because I stripped the bolt on that one for my shock. But the good news is I'm gonna have my Geomaster version 3 drop knuckles coming on Wednesday this upcoming week. So I'm gonna end up running everything then. But also another thing to note is, for any of you doing this at home, these calipers don't fit with the stock knuckle. And the only way to make them fit is if you run the Z32 drum brakes with the whole drum thing inside to the spacing, whatever, I don't know. That's how it works. So yeah. Alright, so here are the new knuckles. Hopefully this will solve my problem with the whole brake caliper situation. Also, it solves my problem from the other side. I don't know if I already said this in the video, but I stripped the hole where the coilover mounts, and this is going to replace that, so we're going to be straight. Let's go ahead and try to put this on the car, and hopefully everything works out. Okay, so fast forward, I installed the drop knuckles and the brake caliper still doesn't fit. I believe it's because these are not the correct rotors. I went ahead and purchased some Z32 brake rotors, specifically the turbo model, and those did fit. While I wait for the new rotors to come in, I decided to remove the rear knuckles to install some new lower ball joints.
Take time with a wounded hand, 'cause it likes to heal. Take time with a wounded hand, 'cause it likes to steal. Take time with a wounded hand, 'cause it likes to heal. I like Know what happened? We can walk up to your fucking address. Get this fight up in there like some matches.
It's not that I don't love you.
I've been on an airplane, tell her that I love her. Working on a daily, I ain't tryna struggle. Meeting different people, hopping on my bubble. Rocking different layers, but my shit be double. Don't gotta hit plays no more, but still got a couple. I'ma keep it subtle, step on their rebuttals. Been playing my cards right, I don't got the shuffle. She treating my heart right, but I cannot buckle. Tryna be my friend right, sorry I can't trust you. Feel like where you been, I've been too deep up in this duffel. She shots off in the baller, baby I'm a baller. Never had the baller, got that shit to If I've been away, just know I'm touching the commas. I don't want no drama, baby.
So as you can see in the previous clips, I had the calipers installed. This is what they look like. I think they look pretty good. I would prefer for them to be mounted a little higher on both sides, but can't pick and choose. The handbrake feels pretty good, though it could probably use some adjusting. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.
In this video, I'm gonna be upgrading my S14 brakes. In this video, I'm gonna be upgrading my S14 brakes to the Z32 calipers. In this video, I'm gonna be